denim faded, but I rock it like a baby in a coat. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
Try to brush me off, I see. Bad man likes calling me from unruly. Girl, why be? Disrespect we a chat I go be. They try to say we done, pussy we can done.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aïssa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, obviously I have another vlog for you guys, so I'm gonna get into it. But before I do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and of course if you like content surrounding hair, fashion, makeup, or lifestyle, then definitely stick around after this video and browse around, because on this channel there's all of that. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna get into the vlog. So as you guys saw this morning, I went and worked out a little bit. Now I'm about to have breakfast. I have my little breakfast here. It's just basically eggs, hash browns, and bread, toast. So yeah, I'm about to eat that, watch a little sermon, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start getting to work. But yeah, today is Monday, April 10th. It's actually a holiday, but yeah, it doesn't matter. So yeah, that's basically what I'm about to do. I'm gonna eat first, then get some work done, and then after that I will go ahead and maybe edit a little bit, because I need to edit. I'm really behind. I haven't been as consistent because these past few weeks have just been like a lot. But yeah, this week I wanted to bring you guys along with me, so that's exactly what we're going to do. But yeah, let me have my breakfast and stop talking a little.
We cannot done, we cannot done. We cannot done, we cannot done. We cannot done, we cannot done.
Hey guys, so today is Wednesday. It is actually April 12th, and I'm currently getting ready because today is actually a very exciting day. I got invited to my first ever brand or influencer event, and yeah, I'm just really excited. It's my first time going to any event or anything, and yeah, like I'm kind of nervous, but I'm excited at the same time, just to experience that. And I'm sure there will be many more events. So yeah, I actually got invited to Shea Moisture's event. They had an event here in Montreal and they invited me. So yeah, I'm getting ready, I'm getting dressed. It's currently 4 p.m. I'm trying to be out of the house by 5 because the event starts at 6, but with traffic and stuff like that. So I'm trying to get ready really quickly. But yeah, basically I will bring you guys with me and we will experience this together. But currently I'm getting ready. I'm about to do my makeup, which it shouldn't take me too long, and I think I already chose my outfit. Hopefully it fits well. But yeah, I'm getting ready. I'm currently watching Love is Blind season 4. I literally just started the season. So yeah, let me get ready and I'll see you guys when I'm a bit more advanced in basically all of this, just because I don't want to take too much time. So yeah.
From Bamandait, Libyanka. I've been drinking more alcohol for the past 5 days. Did you check on me? Or did you look for me? I walked in the room, I got red, and I don't smoke banga. Did you check on me? Or did you notice me?
Okay guys, so I'm here. I'm about to go in because I'm on time, but I just don't want to be too late. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I know I look different. Today is Thursday, April 13th, and I never got to talk to you guys after the event because yeah, I just never got the chance, but I'll put up a picture of like the outfit I was wearing because I was rushing while I was going there. But the event went well. Honestly, I really enjoyed it. I really liked the like everything about it. I liked the music, I liked the food, everything. And also I saw familiar faces and new faces, so it was really, really nice. And yeah, it was kind of more like a mingle and type of event, you know, you just chill and mingle. And you know, it was still really, really good. I really enjoyed it, and I'm grateful for the opportunity I got to even be there. And yeah, I'm sure I'll get many, many more opportunities to go to these type of events. But I did get a goodie bag from there. So I'll go ahead and show you guys like what's in it and unbox it with you guys. Okay, so this is the goodie bag. As you can see, it's like pretty big. So you guys saw, but I got this little like customized bottle done. I just put it in there because it was way easier to carry. Then I got this detangler. I already have this, so that's a plus because we were running out. And then I got mostly some of their new products. So I got the curl enhancing smoothie. This isn't new, but you know, I ran out of this, so it's always a plus to have. Then they were launching their new products, so I got their Stronghold styling gel, which I'm really excited to try because yeah, as a black girl, you know, we always need gel. We're always looking for a new strong one. And then I also got their defining styling gel. So yeah, I'm excited to try all of these and you know, just like basically try them and see if they work on my hair. So yeah, basically it is currently like 9 p.m. I know I'm talking to you guys like so late, but basically all day today I was like running around, just doing errands with my sister and yeah, getting ready for her podcast season 2 because it's starting soon. And yeah, we were just running around doing a bit of shopping, getting some things situated. And right now I'm just about to edit. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Low-key, all of them don't they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me.
Hey guys, so today is Sunday. Yeah, I normally don't vlog on Sundays, but today I'm gonna vlog because I'm doing something really, really fun. So today is Sunday, April 16th, I believe. And yeah, we're basically just going to be having a little picnic because it's been really, really, really nice outside. Like it's really warm, it's like summer weather. So we're going to do a little picnic. I just washed my natural hair, so I'm just gonna go and let it air dry in the sun because it's really nice outside, so it's gonna dry like really quickly. But yeah, I'm basically finishing up, like getting everything ready. I have all the bags. I just finished up cutting some watermelon and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys over there when we get there how we set up and everything. And yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to come and say hi.
I wanna know how we became so distant, girl. The way we fell in love, it was almost instant. I'm tryna find a way around it. Girl, tell me how you feel about it. You still love me, that's the way it sounded. Thank God I would've never found it. I doubt it, I'm there for you if you allow it. Girl, you know I gotta keep you around. All this paper we counted, blazing these houses.
So guys, this is the setup. We are done. And my sister is getting all her food. Look at it.
All of it. All of it.
I'm about to get my tooth. Yo, can you give me
Can you give me
the bang?
the bag?
Bang actually two lah.
Listen to me when I say, baby, it's always, always, always been that way.
So this plate created by me. Oh, yes, I just
Thank
look
you.
how nice I am.
Cheers.
It's the same, I gotta maintain. Listen to me when I say, it's always been that way. How did we become so distant? Like I'm the one to blame, you're innocent. I tried to make a way, make a difference, but some things don't change. I can't complain. I try not to think about you. What can I say? Every time I get near, I want that old thing that I bring it to. Shawty keep telling me what to do about you. Then she got jealous soon as she knew about you. She don't ever want to see her go through round two. Cut her off at what I'm doing now. You told me I should go out and do my thing. Damn right, I do my thing. Now you wanna know what's got into me, what's changed, but baby, not changed. Baby, it's been that way.
Okay guys, so it's the end of the day. The picnic went well, but it kind of got a little cold, so we came here to like do painting and stuff instead, just because it was getting kind of cold outside and we didn't want to like get sick or anything. But yeah, it's basically the end of the night. I'm just about to braid my hair because when my hair is natural, I do not sleep with it like this. I always braid it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do 2 big braids and then put my bonnet on. Actually, before I put my bonnet on, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wash it really quickly, just because yeah, I like to like have a clean bonnet like with clean hair. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this braid.
Baby, it's been that way. You know, baby, I still feel the same. Something I gotta maintain. Listen to me when I say, baby, it's always, always, always been that way.
So as you can see, my braids are done. And yeah, this is basically it. This is it for this week. Basically, yeah, this was like, well, I didn't really vlog every single day of the week, but this was kind of like more of a week in my life instead of a days in my life. So hopefully I can bring you guys more weekly vlogs like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, coming along with me and just experiencing new things with me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm basically just gonna go ahead and chill and go to bed because I want to go to bed early so I can start my week early and just start off fresh and strong. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
That's like